Welcome to Aizenskye beginner class. Today, we'll learn how to draw Naruto. Draw a circle. This will be the skull. Draw a vertical line in the middle of it. Extend the line to form the chin. Now draw the chin. Take note of the head proportions. Divide the circle to 4 and the chin by 2. Those lines will be your guide where to place the facial features. In the middle of the eye line, draw 2 horizontal lines and place 3 same-size rectangles. This will be the location of the eyes. Draw the eye by connecting the red arrows and place the eyeballs. Draw both ears on both sides of the eye line. Now draw a curved line connecting the top of each ear. This will be the headband. Draw a curved line following the hairline guide. Then draw the leaf logo at the center. Draw the hair. Using the mouth and the nose guides, draw the nose and the mouth. Now add the other details. Remove and erase the guides. Now draw the body, then color it. Hope you like it. See you on the next class. Bye!